a free powerful antivirus to remove all the viruses and malware. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So on today's video, we are talking about Malwarebytes. It is a powerful anti-malware which cleans up already infected computer, stops malware that degrades device performance, automatically device scans to protect 24/7, and stops malicious websites and protects against phishing. You can take this as a free trial for a 14-day trial period. You can download it, free download for home, or for business you can buy it as well. To download it, just tap on the free download option and it will be downloaded on your device. After that, to install, you just have to click on the install and select some of the options. Once this is done, you can open your Malwarebytes. So this is the interface for your Malwarebytes. Some of its key features are advanced malware detection, removal capabilities, real-time scanning to safeguard against emerging threats, and a very user-friendly interface that simplifies setup as well as management. There are 3 devices such as scanner, whereby if you click on scan, it will start scanning in progress. It checks for update, it scans memories, it also scans startup, also the registry and the files. Once all this is completed, you will get a report. For the timing, you can also view the scan scheduler, whereby you will decide all the scan schedules that you have set up. On the report section, you can view all the past report of the scans that you have taken place in. So once the scanner has completed its scan, you will see something like this. You can either check the threat scan summary or you can view the full report as well. Likewise, on the advanced section, you will see each and every detail as well. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.